Talking with the telephone operator on the phone to book an appointment to see a therapist at the distress center. So we have been practicing conversation with the doctor and the therapist. So now we are going to book a follow-up appointment.
This is the distress center. How can I help you today?
Hello, can I book an appointment to see my therapist?
What is the name of your therapist?
Dr. Adams.
Sure. The next available appointment is on April 25th at 5 p.m.
Sorry, my class starts at 6 p.m. Can I get an appointment in March before 4 p.m.?
Sorry, he's fully booked. Shall I book you with another therapist?
Sure. Whoever can help me, please.
Dr. Megan is available on February 28th at 2:30 p.m.
Sounds great. Thanks a lot.
See you on February 28th at 2:30 p.m. Bye.
Good job, everyone. Practice the conversation well.